Hello, welcome to the creative side. My name is Edwin. In today's video, we're going to be working on mockups. Now, a mockup serves as a visual draft of a web page or an application, or it is also created to bring life to an idea or a wireframe. Perfect examples of mockups are seen on advertising websites or on social media. Now, in today's video, we're going to be working on Adobe's Photoshop, and we're going to be working with two iPhone mockups. So let's get started. Okay, to begin, we are going to go to the right-hand side of the Adobe Photoshop panel here. And you're going to see phone design 1 here. We're going to click on it. You can double click. And an example page is going to pop up. Bear with me. Okay. So you're going to have the example here, an example. Now, you have an option here. You could either leave it as is and just place the design over it, or you could remove it and just leave it blank. For this, we're just going to, we could leave it on for this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to File, upper left-hand corner, click on File, and then we're going to go to Place Embedded, and then it's going to let you select the design you want to place within the mockup. I have already 2 designs pre-made in PDF. In a future video, I'm going to show you how to create design files for mockups. You could have them either in PDF or you could have it in PNG file format. But for this tutorial, we just have them in PDF. So we're going to select the first design, book program. We're going to place it. A pop-up window is going to come up, open as Smart Object. We're going to leave it as is and just click OK. And then it's going to place. It takes a little bit. Now, at this point, if you notice the lines here and the squares on the edges of your design is going to give you is going to let you adjust the size of your design if it doesn't fit perfectly within the dimensions of your mockup. But for now, it fits perfectly. So all I have to do is just click the check mark on the top to confirm it. And we're going to go back up to File, click on File. We're going to save it. You could either click on save or Control S for the PC or Command S for the Mac. Then once it's saved, we're going to go to File again. We're going to close it, click on Close, Control W on the PC or Command W on the Mac. And then it's going to take you back to the main screen with your design within your iPhone mockup. So let's do the next one, number 2. We're going to go back to the right-hand side, click on Design, Phone Design 2 here. It's going to take you back to the example they have. For this one, let's remove this example here. Let's just click on the eye icon. It's going to just leave it blank. We're going to go repeat again what we did before. We're going to go to File. We're going to go to Place Embedded. We're going to select the other design, which is Events. We're going to place. The pop-up is going to come up again. We're going to click OK, and then it's going to be placed within the dimensions of your mockup, and it fits perfectly. So let's click on the check mark to confirm it. Now let's go to Save and Close, and there you have it. Both designs on both iPhone mockups. Now you can export them with the background or without the background. Personally, I like to export them without the background, but I'm going to show you how to do both. If you want to export it with the background, and you just want to change the color, it's real simple. You could just go back to the right-hand panel here, go to Editable Layers. Now, most, if not all, mockup files, they have a folder that allows you to change the background color or remove the shadows. But for this one, we're going to go to Editable Layers, and we're going to go all the way to the bottom where it says Change Colors. Double click, and we're going to just change the color real quick. I'm going to give it a dark red. Click OK, and there you have it. Now, we're going to export it as is. we're going to go back on top left, click on File. We're going to go to Export, and then we're going to go to Export As. Then it's going to take you to this the export page. Now, what we're going to do first before we click Export is we're going to change the format on this. And it's currently on PNG, but we're going to move it to JPEG. It's going to save it as a JPEG file, and then we're going to click Export, and then we're going to just save it. I'm going to save it onto my desktop, but you can save it onto any file you wish. There's exported. Now, to save it without the background, all you need to do is go back to the editable folder, editable layer folders, and then just remove the background all completely just by clicking the eye icon, like so. And then we just repeat it again, the export. But this time, instead of doing the export as and having to changing the format, Adobe Photoshop lets you just export it as a PNG file. So we're going to click on that. Those are my logos. And we're going to click on desktop to save it on my desktop. And there you go. So let's see how they came out. Desktop. And this is how they came out, how they were exported. Looks great, huh? So this is with the background, and this is without the background. So now without the background, you could put it in front of other images and it won't distort the image behind it. I like using it. I like exporting it without the background because it lets me get real creative when I want to put it on social media and have other images with it. So we're going to close that and go back to our file. Now, for this video, I'm going to include this file, so feel free to download it for free and use it on presentations. I know at the time of this recording, school has just started, so if you need to use it for a project, by all means, feel free to download it. It's completely free. So that basically covers how to create mockups with the iPhone. If you got any value out of this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos coming soon. Until next time, my name is Edwin. You have been in the creative side. Until next time.